How's it going, guys? Happy 4th. But stay tuned. We're gonna light some fireworks for you guys. Nice, that was cool. Don't forget to keep liking, subscribing, sharing, commenting, thumbs up, thumbs down. You guys are making this thing explode. Anyway, guys, enjoy the rest of the show. All right, guys, this is Bryon C. If you guys have not checked out his channel, do so. I will put a link in the description of his channel on this video.
YouTube's only left me with one video.
Really?
Really, they took down my most recent one. The only one that they left me with was Democrats and discipline.
All right, guys, show this guy some support. He's my neighbor. Gonna light off something? No.
Right, Kim? They gotta show him extra love for that.
You gotta show the man love because he's awesome.
Yes, he is very awesome.
All right, guys, he's gonna light one off.
What's this one, Bryon?
Subscribe to his channel.
Man
Show him
number
some
3.
support. There it goes. That was
Ow.
not cool.
Ow!
Ow.
Okay, everybody good?
We're good.
That was a really, really screwed up thing right there.
Did it freaking fall over?
I don't know what it did. We're gonna go ahead and cut it. We're gonna assess, but be safe, okay? Hey, look, lantern.
Oh, another one? Oh, there is. I was gonna get you one for Caden this year. So you write a
I'm not
message.
lighting it off, not until that goes by.
That's the second one I've seen already tonight.
Now.
Oh, that was pretty.
All my YouTube subscribers, especially all my new ones,
Sit down.
this is for you guys making my channel grow as fast as it has. Here it goes, 44 Magnum. Fire in the hole.
Run! Oh, that one was pretty.
I didn't like boom.
This is Excalibur, guys. Bryon, what are you doing?
The way you had Excalibur, it looked like it was any longer up.
T-Mag. Call of Duty.
Oh, that was pretty.
These are Saturn missiles, guys. So what's this one?
This one is the top shelf.
I don't know, they kind of look like Christmas balls.
They do look like Christmas balls.
They look like balls on strings!
You know, there's a pun for that somewhere.
That was pretty.
That was crackly.
See, if you look at them, they're shiny, they're wrinkly, and they're a ball. Pun?
Don't talk about your balls like that, big boy.
You're just jealous.
Yeah, Bryon.
That's you. Not me, they sparkle.
That was cool.
Yes.
That was cool.
This is the Angry Beaver, guys. We have no idea what this one does. Oh, God.